Hi everyone. So in the last video, we looked at six different landforms, and you guys were supposed to tell me if they were natural or man-made. Today we are just focusing on two natural landforms. One is the Grand Canyon National Park. The other one is the Volcanoes National Park. And using these two pictures, we are going to complete the chart with our observations. Okay, so let's go ahead and look down at the chart so we can get a sense of what we need to answer. It says that we need to describe the rocks in each picture for Grand Canyon and for volcanoes. We need to describe the water in each picture for both. We need to say, are there any man-made structures in the picture? And we need to say, are there other things in the picture, such as plants or animals? So I'm actually going to do the Grand Canyon National Park side for you as an example. If you don't want to use my answers or you don't want to look at my example, feel free to pause the video, do your work, and then come back to check your answers. And then the Volcanoes National Park will be completely up to you. So I'm not really grading you on the Grand Canyon side, I'm grading you on the volcano side, and you get a freebie because I'm doing the Grand Canyon side for you. So it says describe the rocks in each picture. To me, they look like an orangey color. So I'm going to say the rocks are orange. If you can hear Pop-Tart, I'm sorry. The rocks are large. I can see that they look pretty tall. Now, I would say that there's a lot of rock here. It's not a lot of little rocks, it's a lot of really large rocks. And they look pretty similar in color, but they're not all the same shape. So notice how I just went 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 answers. Make sure that you are addressing each of those questions. And let's go to the water. So the water in the first picture is found in a river that is moving through the Grand Canyon. So the water is in a river at the bottom of the canyon. We can't tell that it's moving from the picture. This is me using a little bit of prior knowledge. I know that this is a river that flows through the Grand Canyon, but if you didn't know that it's a river, that's okay too. You might think that it's just a very oddly shaped lake, and that's fine. Are there man-made structures in this picture? So when I'm talking about a man-made structure, I mean like, are there stairs? Is there a road? Are there sites that people can pull off their cars, like parking lots, things like that? In this picture, I don't see any of those. And last, are there other things in this picture like plants or animals? So I do see some green bushes and shrubbery, but I can't see any animals in this picture. So what you're going to do now is the exact same thing for the Volcanoes National Park and this picture. I'm going to erase all of my examples. Feel free to go back and fill in the same thing that I had or something different. If you saw something different, your observations might not be exactly the same as mine, and that's fine because we are individuals and we see different things depending on when and where we're looking at it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and don't forget to turn it in when you're done. Thanks. Bye.